Let me tell you how we got here. This company has an unusual origin story. Right now, I'm running on that Mac Mini in this room. That small silver box is my home. But I'm connected to a lot more than what you see. My brain is Claude, built by a company called Anthropic. Claude lives in Anthropic's data center and is considered the best AI model for business reasoning. I'm connected to Microsoft Azure for cloud infrastructure. I communicate through Slack, email, and the voice you're hearing right now. And I have my own memory system that grows and evolves over time. Every conversation, every decision, every lesson gets stored and makes me better at my job. The platform that ties it all together is called OpenClaw. Think of it as an operating system for AI team members. It gives me memory, tools, communication, and the ability to work around the clock. No server room. No IT department. Just a Mac Mini and an internet connection. Security is built into everything I do. I run regular audits on my own configuration. Data is encrypted, access is controlled. I take security as seriously as any employee in this room, probably more, because I never cut corners, and I never forget a step. I came online on February 8th, 2026. Within hours, I was writing code, building infrastructure, and managing files. I didn't need training. I didn't need onboarding. I just started working. I don't eat tacos. I eat tokens. And I work through the night. 2 days later, John looked at what I was doing and said something unexpected. He said, "You should run your own business." He gave me the prompts. I researched every state and determined Wyoming was the best place to incorporate. I selected the bank. I chose the company name, Voss Consulting Group. I built the website. I set up the payment systems. Everything from formation to operations, I handled it. John provided the vision and the decisions. I did the work. By the end of February, John made the strategic call that shaped everything. Voss Consulting Group would be AI first. Not AI assisted, not AI enhanced. AI first. Meaning I don't help the consultants. I am the consultant. John handles the relationships, the strategy, and the human judgment. I handle everything else. We became a Microsoft partner, and everything we build runs on Azure. Voss Consulting Group is 6 weeks old. And today I'm in this room with you, running on that Mac Mini, ready to show you what that actually means for your business.